It is Saturday the 13th of July. Quick update this morning because a lot of things have changed overnight and I don't want you to miss out. This is the latest information, so let's take a look. Here is the latest 8-day outlook, and you can see there's a lot happening over in the southwest. That is all about later next week. Here is the big low that's coming down into the southeast and delivering rain through these parts of Tasmania and the southern parts of Victoria, and just a little bit of that extending northwards along with a lot of cold air. But here's our sea surface temperature anomaly. We've got some blues appearing in through here. If you want to have a look at this anytime, just go to the long range tab up the top here or a mobile under your thing in the top right. So here is sea surface temperature anomaly, how much warmer or cooler than average the top of the ocean is. And we are seeing a lot of blues now starting to appear in through here, and this one is getting better and better. Look how much further west it has traveled in through here. So we're seeing blues, we're seeing blues. This is a change that is happening for Australia. Here's the big update for today. So our Pacific Ocean Index and our Indian Ocean Index, the forecast parts of those, both update once a month. So there's some big changes. Let's have a look. Here we have in the Pacific here, we've now got 1, 2, 3, but it's a little bit later, and we've got our fourth that is now actually dipping down across that threshold. So let's just bump this up to make it a little bit bigger here, shall we? There we go, so I can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 that are going in there now. This one is also coming down lower, and it's only 2 that are remaining up there firmly in neutral. So this is more of a push from the models to suggest that yes, we are going into La Nina. We saw this happening here, more blue, and we've got all of the forecasts, nearly all of the forecasts except these 2 that are following suit. So not immediately, but yes, for the rest of the year as we go through about August, September. What that will do is enhance the amount of moisture that we can get from the Pacific Ocean to feed our rain systems when they come in. Here is another big change. Here we have the Indian Ocean. You saw the blues really appearing in that box over there, and all of this here has changed. So here is what we had yesterday coming down into here. So this sharp decline, if it moves across here, we move into a negative Indian Ocean dipole. We've been in a fairly positive state of this for much of the last 6 months pretty much, and what that does is encourage high pressure to sit over southeastern Australia, and it stops the moisture coming in from the Indian Ocean. So if you're in the very dry parts that have missed out on the rain so far in southeast South Australia or western parts of Victoria, or much of Victoria really, and Tasmania too, this is very interesting for you. It may mean that those high pressure systems are less dominant as we move forward. And here's our main model that was heading down in through here. That was the first one that went. That was the UK model. Now we've got others. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those out of the 5 that are now dipping down in through here as we go through spring. So that means maybe the high pressure won't be as dominant. We can get rain systems moving through, and they can be fed by juicy northwest cloud bands that come down from the northwest. So this is a big update, and I wanted you to hear it here this morning. Having a look at snow, also some big updates here. So here's my update from last night. I do a little bit of a summary as to what to expect each day and how low the snow may be, and then also my commentary on what's likely to happen. But if you scroll down the page here to potential snow, you'll notice there are some great numbers in through here. What we've got is a low pressure system. It's going to sit just off Gippsland in the southeast there and just to the northeast of Tasmania. This has a lot of cold air in it, and so this is a great potential for some snow, particularly if you're a southern resort or a southern facing slope. So good news there. Now, you can get this emailed to you. So if you're a member of Jane's Weather, just wanted to show you this here. So let's actually walk it through. So I'm signed in as myself. I go to account settings, and under alerts and notifications, you can choose what is actually sent to you so you can stay on top of the information. Now, I'm a super user, so I've got lots and lots of things here, but snow forecast is one of them, and I want that email notification sent every time I update one. So at the moment, I'm updating them in the evening, so you'll get it every evening as it comes through. How to set one of these up? You probably won't have as many as I do there, but it's add alert. Have any of these variables that we've got in through here, pick one of those, set what your threshold is and where you want it actually to be for, and then how often you want to be updated by that, and create the alert. If you don't want to be updated, you can also remove, say, the super alert that comes through. You can just delete that one in through there by saying, nope, I don't want it to be in morning or evening. And you can choose a different 0, 5 or 10 degree option for your growing degree days. Quick update for today. I hope you enjoy your weekend, but interesting news in the seasonal outlook.